Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to customize your widgets with widgetsmith. So first of all, let's download the app now. So I download the app. Now I'm going to click on add a widget. Now I'm going to select themes. And now I'm gonna choose what font color I want for my widget. You can customize your tint and even background color. So now I'm done selecting what I need. So now I'm gonna click on save, and if you want to apply it to all the widgets you can, or if you want to apply it only for one widget, you can select. So now I'm gonna remove all the widgets which is on my screen. So I'm done removing all my widgets. Now I'm gonna add widget and click on widgetsmith. Add a small widget or any widget you like. And now as you can see, it is customized. So like that, I'm gonna add my widgets. So now I have customized my widgets as you can see, but I feel like something is missing. Oh yeah, that's the wallpaper. So in widgetsmith they even include the wallpaper that suits your widget. Now let's apply a good wallpaper for my iPad. So now I'm gonna be selecting a wallpaper. So now let's see what suits our widget. I think this color will suit. So now I'm gonna download the image and set it as a wallpaper. So I'll show after applying the wallpaper. So as you can see, this looks so much better. So hope you guys like the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.